impressive work completing that, ladies and gentlemen. And so go ahead and take out your trap notes. We're going to be focusing on A and the P today as we answer some compare and contrast questions. And as scholars are doing that, make sure we label our paper with questions. And today we're going to be doing 15 through 18, and we'll find that on page number 10. Page 10, okay? And give them 30 seconds to complete that in 3, 2, 1, go. Awesome. And so what we're doing here is for my compare and contrast, notice how I kept my Venn diagram right there. And so we're going to be using this to answer our practice question number 15. All right, so label your paper with questions. Did that. Read each question twice. Well, let's read it. Both authors focus their selections on animal behaviors that, one more time, both authors focus their selections on animal behaviors that, okay? And so next I'm going to underline my key words. I know this both is we know that's a key. Even the test put it in bold. Then authors, okay? And both authors what? Were focused on animal behaviors over here, okay? And so what is this question asking me? Well, animal behavior that both authors focus on, okay? And so I'm looking at my Venn diagram. What's something that both of them do? Well, it's nonfiction, it's about animals. Science is studying, it's about animal habits, okay? And notice how I'm not going back to the text and scrolling up and down. No, you don't want to do that on the start. You want to use, maybe if it's a real tough question, but to save time, focus on the Venn diagram. See, in the end, yes, this was work, but this work actually ends up saving us time. And so with that, so I'm predict, it's something talking about helping them. And for my Venn diagram, I have some proof that talks about their habits, right? What's helping them live, maybe what's helping them survive out there. So let's go ahead and slash out some wrong answers. And so first thing, so affected animals' diet. Well, the dolphins were using sponges to eat, so I might keep that. Happen only at certain times of year. I know koalas, it was hot, but the dolphins eat year round, so we slashed that. Demonstrate cooperation. That doesn't stand out. Are important to an animal survival. Okay, so let's talk about that. Let's talk this out. Affect the animal's diet. Well, koalas was mainly about trees, hugging trees, keeping cool. So, but they do keep cool to survive, okay? And this is what we want. We slashed out 2 answers. That gives me a 50-50 chance. That's exactly what we want. And so even if I guess, I still have a good chance of getting more points on the test, but I know this answer for sure, and that's going to be D, all right? And so that's exactly the process I want us to do. Here's what it would look like if I did it on paper. And then I'll see you on the next video as we do this together. Awesome job following along with young brother Reed on that one.